Hi guys, it's Anton and today we're gonna look at SEQUOIA 2023 in a nice trim level. And it's so much interesting things in this car and I'm gonna show you everything what we have here outside the car. And guys, thank you for subscribing. It really helped me to grow my channel. Okay guys, we see everything outside. Now we're gonna go inside the car and you can see right here we have a footstep when you open the doors. Okay, what we have here. Okay, now let's take a look what's inside. Okay, we have this K-fob, it's plastic. Yeah, we can open the door like this and the steps for your feet going there and you can climb here. You really climb there because it's SEQUOIA. Over here we have a hand holder. Okay, we're gonna lock the door and start the car by the bottom. Hello SEQUOIA. I love it. Okay guys, it's spacious. Like in every SEQUOIA you have ton of space. Yeah, you have ton of space for your hands, for the passenger, for rear seats. Third row of the seats we have sunroof right here, which we can open like this. Like usually we have a memory for the seats, 2 of them. We have control for the windows and you can control your seats right from here. Also we can lift her up a little bit this space. If you like 7 feet tall, 8 feet tall or maybe 9, it's very good for you. Okay, about this trim level, yeah, it's very nice. Everywhere leather. It's like wood, piano black. Yeah, it's leather here, right here the leather too. Over here we have a lot of space for your stuff right here, for the bottles and a cup right there. We have really ton of space. It's like huge one right here. We have type C, USB-A, place for the coins, and we can go in this storage even from here. We can control drive modes, and in dashboard you will see it everything, and even here too. Space for cup holders. You can put your phone and charge it right there. Also you have a ton of space here. Here's a shifter. And you will not see here sensor buttons, just regular switchers. Oh, it's 360. Yeah, we have 360 right here. It's very important, I think so, for this kind of car. You can see everything around the car. And if you're gonna take the trailer, you have trailer brake control. You can turn it on right from here. Right here we have everything for climate control, and you can heat your seats and you can vent it. Big vents right here. Yeah, it's a leather right there, and we have not a mirror, but it's rear camera. Okay, about upper part of the dashboard. Oh, right here we have a plastic. Here's a leather, nice trim right here. I show you the seats already, so it's perforated with very good structure, stitches everywhere. We have stitches right here and leather right there, and I like these two colors of the seats. And this seat's really comfortable for a long trip if you're gonna go somewhere. Okay, what about steering wheel? Yeah, it's a leather, it's very soft, I love it. We have dashboard, full digital cluster, we have adaptive cruise control, we have holder in the lines, we have blind assist, 360 camera, brake emergency, and we have head-up display right there. You can see your speed or direction right in the windshield right here. Also, you can control your steering wheel by the joystick over there. Okay, and what I can say about entertainment screen, it's huge. It's very fast, you can see it right here, and I really like these settings. You can understand everything. I think you will not have any problems with this entertainment, and yeah, it's a huge screen and you can see all information right here. Okay, and what about back seats? And again, we have a ton of space, 2 separate seats and space for your stuff, cup holders, and everything like this. And yeah, we have climate control right here. We have type C, USB-A, and regular charger. And yeah, we have 3rd row of the seats. And right here we have cup holders, armrest, USB-C, and you can control your seats by this button. And like you can see, I'm 6 feet tall. I can sit over there, can sit right here. I have a ton of space, and I can sit right here too. Okay, and what about front? You can open it by the button, and if 3rd row of the seats will be like this in this position, you'll have a little bit space for the cargo. 3rd row you can control right from here. And here you go. Okay, also you have outlet right there. What I can say about this huge Sequoia, it's very nice. This hybrid, I really like this trim level. It's very beautiful, and it's really ton of space everywhere. And with this kind of car, you're really gonna save the money for the gas if you're gonna choose the hybrid. Thank you very much, subscribe button, and goodbye.